I'm Mo Farah. I'm an athlete. I'm hoping to compete in the 10,000 meter Olympics in Tokyo. Yeah, sometimes you are frustrated as an athlete when things doesn't happen, or you have a bad race, or you're supposed to win that race and it didn't quite happen. But I remember the first time I was really disappointed. It was the Beijing Olympics, where I was hoping to go there to compete for my country, and I got knocked out in the semi-final. And at that point I was really disappointed as an athlete and hurt. Well, failure is a failure. You failed, you've got to be honest to yourself, and sometimes it can mentally disturb them for a very long time. So you can't change that, but how do you learn from that? And just put in a lot more hard training and keep working and keep understanding about my body, what I can and can't do in terms of training, to be patient, to believe more. And I enjoy putting the work in. I enjoy having the pressure of knowing you got to deliver and go and deliver it, and just being a runner. Turn frustration into opportunity. Keep on working hard. Believe in yourself. And over time, I start to think more positive. What is the next race? What do I need to do? What's missing? And me and my coach will talk, plan, and come out of way I can do better. And then after the next Olympics, we came to London, my hometown, having 75,000 people audience in the crowd. Winning a gold medal was the best thing I ever did. 2020 has definitely affected sports. For example, we would have Olympics by now, and when the COVID came, we all had to leave. And a lot of people were confused and didn't know how to deal with it. But I like to think positive and thinking I've had another year to be able to train for it, and that's one of the reasons why I'm here in Ethiopia. Just continue to graft and continue to put in the work. If I'll be able to make history again, and I think that's something within me and keeps driving every day.